I said nothing this week, and then All Sports showed up with a $4,000 bill. Like,
yeah. Box 5. Erie.
Probably, but it's not something I'd be interested in. The terminals, I'm happy with what I have. I appreciate the offer, but I just wouldn't want to switch over.
Nice. Lannister banner.
No, it's not that at all. It's just something I'm not interested in. You know, I'm trying to
Oh no. You wouldn't.
All right, no problem.
Me?
Nah, if that was your job, ain't no way I would. I'd be doing exactly what they're doing.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Princess McGee again.
So what are you guys doing now? You're opening cards and
Sorting them and selling them, basically.
sorting them and then selling the cards individual?
Yep.
Stuff like this, the card's still better than the product, better than the sealed product.
Okay. So some cards in the package
Joseph
are worth more
Alton.
Then the actual packages, yeah.
that actual package itself.
Well, something like this, everybody has the sealed product, but very few people actually put singles out there for sale.
Right.
So
And that does well for you guys?
It does.
sometimes
Sometimes.
I
You gotta
celebrate
get the right
the.
people, but you got a better shot at it.
That's interesting. Well, I appreciate your time today.
Oh, no problem. I appreciate you coming by. Thank you very much.
The Hound.
Have a box, sir. But you do better out of this than you did out of brilliance. Sometimes you just have to
He got
have
jokes.
Well, that's 30 minutes of your life you're never getting back.
Well, Red Cross got $25 for Oklahoma.
That's good.
Just for him coming out.
You hope, anyway.
Problem is, there's no way to verify.
Yeah, well, that's the only reason why I did it. I'll tell you the truth.
I feel sorry for the poor bastard.
For him?
Yeah.
So do I. He's selling the free. He's like,
I didn't tell him to do it. I don't know why you feel bad for him.
Because he probably doesn't have very many other career options at this point in
I
his
didn't tell him to
life.
drop out of high school.
He probably has that man probably has a college degree.
Probably. I didn't tell him to get a degree in fucking,
English.
yeah.
All right. Be right back.
literature.